So let's make an amazing kappa beef curry in this new video. Hi from Geetha. So here we made a kappa. You can check the video before how to make a kappa with a Trivandrum style, and now we make a beef curry and then combine both together. So it's called a kappa biryani or kappa beef curry. Okay, enjoy. So now making some amazing beef curry to go with the kappa beef with tapioca and beef. So take the pressure cooker, put the beef in, one spoon of turmeric, chili powder. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons, and then I got some nice chili paste. I'm going to put the chili paste. Coriander powder, 3 teaspoons. Ginger garlic paste, 1 full tablespoon. Onion slice, 2 medium-sized onions. Green chili. If you have some red chili also, you can put it. It's fine. Curry leaf, stock cube, chicken stock cube, salt, water, just to cover the beef. Now cover it and then cook for 30 minutes in a high pressure. So now it's ready. You can see the oil and the nice fat, it's all flavor. It's ready, it's soft. So now mix the tapioca that's already cooked. I'm putting some curry leaf and then virgin coconut oil. So that gives an extra flavor. With the fresh curry leaf in the end, that is good. And now I just give a nice boil and then leave it on the side to settle, and then we can plate it up. So now we plate it. Keep the pieces and the tapioca. We cook with the bone, that is tasty. If you want to keep the bone, you can. Chopped onions, curry leaf, green chili, bit of chili oil to go around. Swipe the side. Yeah, that's ready. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. This is Geetha, and subscribe if you didn't subscribe. Click the bell icon and watch other videos. You will learn amazing techniques what we use in the restaurants or international restaurants or hotels. I'm happy to give you more techniques. Give me your feedbacks in the comment below. Thank you.